Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna show you how to resize a logo in your GIMP. So now what you're gonna do, you should open your GIMP so that we start the work. Prepare your logo ready because we're gonna just import that image and then we start working on it. So I'm using Linux and GIMP. I wouldn't tell you the version, but one of the latest versions. So what you're gonna do, go to new, open file, then open, then you get the logo you want to deal with. I want to deal with this logo. I'll copy this, I open it here, say okay, don't worry, say okay. You see how big it is. So I want to put this logo on one of the Facebook pages. So but now I don't need it to be as big as this. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna say image, then you click at scale. Remember Facebook wants a minimum of 200, no 180, but it should be at least 360. I'm gonna deal with 360, and here it's gonna be 360. But anyway, it did give it its own automated what it's gonna be. This is the width, this is the height. So it gave itself an automated stuff, but I can make it 360 the way I want. 360. Then after that I'm gonna say scale. No, it didn't work because it gives you what, so I need to at least the 360. Let me give it a chance to give me the automated stuff. Yes, then I'm gonna say scale. After scaling, this is the logo I get. Then that way you can export this to where you want to export it. Export as, no, I don't want to say export as. It should always give me some export stuff. Okay, let me export as. I'm gonna put it in downloads because that's where I want to copy this. I would say it's gonna be, I made it to be a PNG still, but I don't want to delete that, so I'm gonna say copy here and say new logo. Okay, after doing that, then we're gonna say export. I don't have to change anything here. I say export. So guys, we're done. That was the tutorial, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.